techies, it's Sia back with another Mobile Munch review. Today, I'm diving into the Vivo T3X 5G, a smartphone that's making waves for being easy on the wallet while packing a punch. We're talking a big, smooth display, a processor that handles everyday tasks like a champ, and a battery that just won't quit. Oh, and did I mention it's water resistant? Stick around as we put the Vivo T3X 5G through its paces to see if it really is the budget beast everyone's been talking about. Vivo T3X 5G comes with large display. The Vivo T3X 5G takes center stage with a big 6.72-inch IPS LCD display. While not the most advanced display technology, it offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a fluid experience when browsing the web, scrolling through social media, and watching videos. A peak brightness of 1000 nits ensures decent readability outdoors. Capable performance for everyday tasks. The Vivo T3X 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor. Paired with 4GB to 8GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. Light gaming might be possible on lower settings, but don't expect this phone to be a powerhouse for demanding games. Storage options range from 128GB to 256GB, and you can expand storage further with a micro SD card, which takes up the slot for a second SIM card. Dual camera system captures everyday moments. The Vivo T3X 5G features a dual camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with PDAF, phase detection autofocus, should capture decent photos in good lighting conditions. The secondary 2MP depth sensor is likely there to assist with portrait mode shots. On the front, an 8MP selfie camera allows for video calls and casual selfies. Don't expect flagship-level camera quality, but it should handle basic capture needs. Built to last with water resistance and big battery. The Vivo T3X 5G boasts an IP64 dust and water resistance rating, providing peace of mind against splashes and light dust. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor offers convenient security access. The phone retains the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature missing on many higher-end phones these days. The Vivo T3X 5G packs a whopping 6000 mAh battery, promising exceptional battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 44W wired fast charging. A budget-friendly option with long battery life. With a starting price of around €150, the Vivo T3X 5G caters to users looking for a smartphone that prioritizes affordability and battery life. The phone offers a large display with a smooth refresh rate, a capable processor for everyday tasks, a decent main camera, and a water-resistant design. The massive battery life and 3.5mm headphone jack are additional pluses. However, storage options might be limiting for some users, and the camera system might not be ideal for photography enthusiasts. Our final verdict on Vivo T3 by 5G. Looking for a big screen phone with a long battery life and a price tag that won't break the bank? Can you live with an IPS LCD display and a basic camera system? Then this phone is 100% phone you. If you are finding budget segment phone, then you can go with this phone, and as your budget is good, then you can choose another latest one with good specs. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Vivo T3 by 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.